Rugendo ruru rwa Harambee Starlets marwambikire na gutugana na iretu kuma Tunisia na kuria mari guku Nairobi mathire draw ya kuremwo gufugana gifugo gwa gifugo na gucoka gukiria aiki aya a Afrika ya rugongo hinya mari mucie bao imwe gwa gifugo kuhitukira muthaki Teresa Egesha. Bao iyo ikimakinyithia raudini ya muthia akuria maratindikanaga na aiki a the Gambia. Itogana ria mbere kiharoini kia Nyayo na Gambia mwana Halima Adam afugire bao ya Kenya ya mbere ndagikaini ya 12 Afasila Athiambo akiongerera ya keri na Keshalino Pisa agikidira uhotani wa bao 3-1 mari mucie.
It has been 9 years, so we kept on reminding ourselves that it has been 9 years. How long can we wait?
Na riu haha airetu aya magikorwo matigetie hanyani na marigo akuingira WAFCON mwaka ukite fururini wa Morocco. Hwae mariuganine Stade la Dioth Senegal mwana Halima Adam Jereko aronaneti na gutigirira we na aruna ake ni mahunduka ngaragano-ini cia AFCON ya iretu niyo WAFCON thutha wa guikara heho-ini handu-ini ha miaka kenda.
The girls were really spirited, the technical bench awesome. We worked together as a team, but we thank God so much because he came through for us as a country and as a team. I'm sure that the country is happy. I'm also happy as a patriot of the country, and this is for my country and football fans.
Kutoka mwanzo tulianza na Mungu na tumemaliza na Mungu na tumepata ushindi na tumequalify. Tuna thank God na nina thank my teammate wenye wamefight siku ya leo tukapata ushindi.
Tunaenda kuonyesha sisi pia tunaiweza. Yeah, inaenda kufungua doors for many people. Moso hata sisi wenye tuko majuu maybe tunaweza pata more bigger clubs kuwachezea. So ni opportunity ya kila mtu.
Icoka riri ari kionereria kia ukuri wa mubira wa maguru mwena wa iretu aguku fururini ari wirutaniria no nyitaniri munene wa athaki coaches na kiama kia FKF.
Harambee Starlets, hongera, congratulations for qualifying for WAFCON 2026 in Morocco. We are also proud of you. You have done your best, and we promised you all our support as FKF, and together, of course, with the government of Kenya through the Ministry of Sports and with the support of His Excellency the President, Dr. William Ruto, we want to say once again, thank you for the stellar performance. You have made Kenya proud. Congratulations. Well done. And now the real hard work starts.
Definitely we have to sit now and come up with a roadmap to 2026 WAFCON. We don't want to go as participants. We definitely want to finish in the top 4 and qualify for the World Cup.
Kitu poa sana kwa sababu inamaanisha Kenya we are growing. Women football is growing very fast. Na I think ni support tu kidogo from the one we get from the government and the President William Samoei Ruto. And we are performing now.
Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Inoro TV, Jitagwo Mugure wa Karuiru.